A lot of us as mobile detailers, we ride around with the water tank in the back of our trailers or trucks. We don't really know the effects of what the water tank is doing to the vehicle. So I just want to kind of shed some light on how much water you should carry and what happens if you carry too much water. So when thinking about your tank and putting it into your mobile detailing van, you need to realize what is the actual capacity of weight that that van could hold. The gross vehicle weight ranking tells you the max amount of weight that this Ford Transit van can carry, which is 9,000 pounds. So the Ford Transit could carry 9,000 pounds. If you take all of the equipment and everything out of the van, the Ford Transit van weighs 5,600 pounds. The van is empty with no water, no equipment, nothing in it. 5,600 pounds. If you had a 100-gallon water tank and you filled it up 50% of the way, so 50% is filled up with water and the rest is not, that's going to give you 417 pounds. So those 417 pounds, you add it to what the van is empty, and that's going to give you 6,017 pounds. Now, capacity. The capacity is 9,000 pounds. That's the capacity of what the van could actually hold when you put in equipment and everything else in the van. So now let's look at how much space do we have to add in more equipment and things inside of the van where we don't exceed the 9,000. We're going to subtract the 9,000 from the 6,017. The weight that you add into the van either at 9,000 pounds or underneath 9,000 pounds. These are the things you have to think about when you're doing your van setup and you want to add equipment, you want to add tanks to your van so you can see, okay, how much water can I put into this tank where it doesn't affect gas and it doesn't strain the transmission and doesn't wear down my tires sooner than what I need to get tired.